Namaskaram. Good morning everyone. Today we are again here for yoga and physical activity session, and in this yogic session today we will do some micro yogic practice, some yogic asana practices, and after that pranayama yogic abhyasa. So let's come for today's session. Today's session mainly based on yogic asana practices, and these yogic asana practices help in reduce your fat, belly fat, and improve your flexibility, and also improve your digestive system, your pancreas, and every kind of gland, and also tone your skin and reduce your hair fall. So let's come for today's session. We will start our session with Gayatri Mantra. First, sit any meditative posture. We sit on Padmasana. Stretch your both leg in front. Hold your right leg ankle and place your right feet upper part of left thigh. And hold your left leg ankle and place your left feet upper part of right thigh. Just like this position called Padmasana. Padmasana make your spine straight for a long time period. You can sit in this posture for long time period. Normalize your breathing. Keep both hands in Dhyana Mudra, just like. Shoulder relaxed. Normalize your breathing. Eyes closed. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. Start Gayatri Mantra together. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Rub your both palms and place your both palm on your eyes, your face muscle. Slowly open your eyes, look at your palm with a gentle smile. Release the asana. Release your legs. Let's come for micro yogic practice. Come to standing position. Legs together, feet together. Place both hands on your waist. Inhale and exhale. Touch your chin to the chest. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale 2. Exhale down. Inhale 3. Exhale down. Inhale 4. Exhale down. Inhale 5. Exhale down. Inhale 6. Exhale down. Inhale 7. Exhale down. Inhale 8. Exhale down. Inhale 9. Exhale down. Inhale 10. Exhale down. Inhale, come slowly to the center. Exhale, twist your head to left side, look back from left shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Look back from right shoulder. With exhalation, inhale, come shoulder to the center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, come shoulder to the center. Exhale, left. Inhale, come shoulder to the center. And release. Exhale, bend your head to left side as much as you can. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, come straight to the center. Exhale, bend your head, touch your chin to the chest. Make a complete circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, reverse, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly please come to the side. Stretch your both hands in front and clutch your fingers. Clutch with inhalation and release with exhalation. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Make a wrist and go for wrist rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, reverse 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Elbow movement. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Release. Place both hands on your shoulder with fingers, elbows together, and go for shoulder rotation. Make a complete circle, bicep touching to the ear, elbows together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, reverse 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release your both hands from side. Next, legs apart. Place both hands on your waist and go for hip rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, reverse, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Legs together, feet together, and go for side bending. Inhale, raise your left hand above the head, left bicep touching to the ear, and exhale, bend to right side. And hold here for 15 to 20 seconds. Look up. Okay, come back. Same with the opposite hand. Inhale, raise your right arm above the head, right bicep touching to the ear, and exhale, bend to left side. Look up and hold here 15 to 20 seconds. Inhale, come back. This yogic practice also help in reduce your side fat, belly fat, and make flexible your spine. And next, Kati Chakrasana. Inhale, raise your both arm in line with the shoulder from side, and exhale, twist to left side, and place your right hand on your left shoulder, your left hand behind your back, and entwine the waist. Look back from left shoulder. Inhale, come slowly to the center, and exhale, twist to right side. Place your left hand on your right shoulder, your right hand behind your back, and turn the waist. Look back from right shoulder. Inhale, come back. One more round. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center, and release the hands. And next, legs together, feet together. Half bend your knees. Place both palms on your kneecap and go for knee movement. Make a complete circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, reverse, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release, come back. Place both hands on your waist and stretch your right leg in front and go for ankle movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, reverse, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Same with the opposite leg. Stretch your left leg in front and go for ankle movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, reverse, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release, come back. Take few normal breaths, normalize your breathings. Okay, now we are fully warm up. So So let's come for first standing yogic practice, Trikonasana. Inhale, jump, spread your leg, 3 to 4 feet gap in between your legs, and your left feet 90 degree outward, and raise the arms in line with the shoulder, and exhale, bend from your waist and bend to left side. Bend your trunk to left side, just like, and touch your left big toe with your finger, and your right hand towards to sky, just like, and look at your right hand fingertips, just like, and hold here for 10 to 15 seconds. Inhale, come back and release. Same with the opposite side. Your right feet 90 degree outward and your left feet 45 degree in. And again inhale, raise the arm from side in line with the shoulder, just like, and bend to right side from your trunk with exhalation, and hand position as it is, and touch your right big toe with your fingers and your left hand towards to sky, and look at your left hand fingertips, just like, and hold here 10 to 15 seconds. Inhale, come back and release. Trikonasana, very effective yogic asana. This asana helps in reduce your fat, belly fat, and this yogic practice good for your thighs muscle, make flexible your thighs muscles. Let's come for our next yogic practice, Utthita Parsava Konasana. Again, inhale, jump, spread your leg, 3 to 4 feet gap in between your legs, and your left feet 90 degree outward, and place both hands on your waist and twist your trunk to left side, just like, and slightly bend your left knee, you can see, and place your right palm beside your left feet, your left palm beside your left feet, just like you can see, and your left thigh parallel to the ground, your left thigh parallel to the ground, and your left leg position you can see 90 degree, you can see this leg position like 90 degree, and raise your right arm above the head, just like, and your right bicep touching to the air, you can see, and look up, you can see, look up, and hold here 10 to 15 seconds. Inhale, come back, and release. Same with the opposite side. Your right feet 90 degree outward and your left feet 45 degree in. Place both hands on your waist and twist to left side, just like, and place your right palm beside your right feet and bend your right knee and your right thigh parallel to the ground and your right leg position 90 degree angle, just like, and inhale and exhale, your left hand over the head with exhalation, and your left bicep touching to the air, and hold here 10 to 15 seconds. Inhale, come back. Take few normal breaths, normalize your breathings. So let's come for our next yogic practice in sitting position. Sit on the mat. Next, Janusirasana. Take position. Come to Dandasana. Spine should be straight. And hold your right leg ankle. And your right heel closer to your perineum. And spine should be straight, and your left leg extend to forward, your left kneecap locked, and inhale, raise your both arms above the head, and exhale, slightly bend forward, and hold your toes with your fingers, and slightly exhale, one more exhalation. Option 1, you can hold here. If you can't able to do this practice, make your spine straight and hold here. Look at your front. Option 1 for beginners. If you can, so exhale, bend forward, and touch your forehead to your knee and hold here 15 to 20 seconds. Inhale, come back. Janusirasana, very good practice for reduce your fat, also reduce your back fat, and also good for your spine, and also help in reduce your hair fall. Change your leg position, same with the opposite leg. Bend your left leg and place your left heel closer to your perineum. Spine should be straight. Step 1, first your spine should be straight, completely straight, just like you can see. And inhale, raise your both arm above the head, both bicep touching to the air, just like. And your kneecap locked. Your legs should be straight, fully straight, and kneecap locked. Inhale, one more inhalation, and exhale. Slightly bend forward. First, catch your toes with your finger, just like you can see. And first, spine should be straight. Look at your front. Your spine fully straight. If you can't able to do this practice, option 1 for beginners, you can hold here and make your spine straight and hold here. Look at your front. Option 1 for beginners. And exhale. Slightly bend forward and touch your forehead to your knee and hold here 15 to 20 seconds. Inhale, come back. And release. And next, Ustrasana. Place both palm left side and come to Vajrasana. Sit on the Vajrasana. Toes together and heels out, just like. and stand on your knees, toes pointing out. Stand on your knees. Inhale, raise your left hand above the head and bring your left hand behind your back and catch your left hip with your left hand. At the same time, bring your right hand behind your back and catch your right hip with your right hand and drop your neck back and hold here 15 to 20 seconds. Ustrasana. And come back. Come to Vajrasana. Lay down on your stomach. Come to prone position. First, first prone yogic practice. Salavasana. Place both palm under the thigh, just like. And inhale, lift your right leg up, and you can take support with your right hand. You can see. Just like, and as much as you can lift your kneecap locked. 10 to 15 seconds. And exhale down, release. Same with the opposite leg. Inhale, lift your left leg up as much as you can lift. Your kneecap lock and flex your toes. And exhale, release. Next, with both legs, take support with your both hands and inhale, lift your both legs as much as you can lift and hold here 10 to 15 seconds. And exhale, release. Next, Purna Bhujangasana. Today we will do advanced practice of Bhujangasana step by step. Place both palms beside your chest, elbows closer to the chest, toes pointing out, and inhale, lift your upper body from your navel region, drop your neck back. First, Ardha Bhujangasana. Hold here 5 to 10 seconds. And exhale. Take few normal breaths. And next, inhale, lift your upper body from your waist level. Ardha Bhujangasana, next position. Shoulder roll back, drop your neck back and hold here 10 to 15 seconds. And exhale, release. Take few normal breaths. Inhale, lift upper body from your waist level. Shoulder roll back. Bend your both knees. Slide. And your feet closer to your head. Back of the head. And drop your neck back. And try to your head closer to your feet. Just like. First option. First, as much as you can hold here. Just like. And try to rest your back of the head, inner edge of feet, just like, and hold here 15 to 20 seconds. And exhale. This yogic asana, advanced category yogic asana. You can also take support with your wall, any kind of wall at your home, just like. First, bring your chest closer to the wall, just like. You can see your chest fully touch on the wall, just like. Yes. Take support with your hand and place both palm on the wall, just like, and push your body to back side as much as you can and bend your elbow. First, option 1. First, drop your neck back and just push and hold. Hold here for 5 seconds and release. And again, push back and hold and release. Keep special things in your mind before the practice of Bhujangasana. Please do not jerk your waist. Do this practice carefully and slowly with breathing control. So let's come for our next yogic practice, Sasankasana. Legs apart, just like, and inhale, raise your both arms above the head, and exhale, bend forward and rest your abdomen to the ground and extend your hand to forward. Extend hand to forward and hold here 10 to 15 seconds. And come back. So let's come for our next supine yogic practice. Lay down on your back. Take left turn and lay down on your back. Today we will do Sarvanga Asana practice. This yogic practice very useful yogic practice. This yogic practice good for your ENT and reduce your hair fall and growth your hair. This yogic practice also known as variation of Sirsasana. Sirsasana is king of asanas. If you can do this practice, you can easily perform Sirsasana. This yogic practice, pre-practice of Sirsasana. Sirsasana, king of asana. Let's come for Sarvanga Asana. First we will perform Halasana, after that Sarvanga Asana. Please, if you are suffering from cervical spondylitis, any kind of heart disease and high blood pressure, so don't do this practice. Legs together, feet together, and inhale first 30, 60 and 90.
and drop your both toes above the head, just like, and interlock your fingers and stretch. You shrink your shoulder and place both palm just like center of the back. You can see, and take support with your both palm to make straight your spine, and lift your both leg towards to sky and your whole body on your shoulder. You can see your whole body weight on your shoulder. You can see just like, and look at your big toes. It's called Sarvangasana. Come back. First, come to Halasana and release your both hands. And come back.
First, 90, 60 and 30 and release. Take few normal breaths. Next, variation of Matsyasana. Place both palm closer to your shoulder, just like you can see, and lift your upper body and tuck your center of the head on the ground, just like you can see, center of the head on ground. Take support with your hands, just like, and rest your both hands just like in this position, and hold here for 10 to 15 seconds. And release. Sit on the mat, take left turn, come back. Take few normal breaths. Sit any meditative posture. Normally fold your legs. Keep both hands in Jnana Mudra. Take few normal breaths. Normalize your breathings. Let's come for Pranayama Yogic Abhyasa. First, Pranayama Abhyasa, Bhastrika Pranayama. Forcefully exhalation and forcefully inhalation. So let's come for Bhastrika Pranayama. Spine should be straight. भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम का अभ्यास हम 3 स्तरों में करेंगे. प्रथम सरल गति से, द्वितीय में मध्यम गति से और तृतीय में तीव्र गति का अभ्यास. कमर गर्दन सीधी करें. प्रारंभ करें सरल गति का अभ्यास. Relax, normalize your breathing. Next, मध्यम गति से. Relax, normalize your breathings. Next, तीव्र गति का अभ्यास. तीव्र गति से करने से पूर्व कुछ विशेष बातों का ध्यान रखें। हृदय संबंधी रोगी और उच्च रक्तचाप संबंधी रोगी इस अभ्यास को तीव्र गति से ना करें। प्रारंभ करें। दोनों हथेलियों से इस प्रकार घुटनों को पकड़ लें, हाथों का सपोर्ट लेते हुए। Relax, normalize your breathing. This yogic practice good for your respiratory system and good for any kind of your breathing disease, your respiratory disease. And this yogic practice detoxify your respiratory system and detoxify your whole body. And this yogic practice increase your immunity. So let's come for next yogic practice, कपालभाति प्राणायाम। कपालभाति प्राणायाम षटकर्म शोधन का एक अभ्यास है जिसे हम प्राणायामों के साथ करते हैं। तो कमर गर्दन सीधी करें। स्ट्रोक के माध्यम से स्टमक को धक्का देते हुए निरंतर रेचक क्रिया का अभ्यास करना है। चलिए प्रारंभ करें। इस अभ्यास को हम तीन चरणों में करेंगे। प्रथम 30 के स्ट्रोक्स में, सेकेंड 40 के एंड थर्ड 50 के स्ट्रोक्स में। प्रारंभ करें प्रथम 30 स्ट्रोक्स में। Forty strokes. Next, 50 strokes. सामान्य श्वास प्रश्वास। यहीं से अगला अभ्यास अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम का होगा। दाहिने हाथ की प्रणव मुद्रा बना ले। तर्जनी और मध्यमा को मोड़ते हुए नासिका छिद्रों के पास ले जाएं। अंगूठे से दाहिनी नासिका को बंद करते हुए बाहीं नासिका से श्वास भरें और दाहिनी नासिका से श्वास छोड़ें। पुनः दाहिनी नासिका से श्वास भरते हुए बाहीं नासिका से छोड़ें। इस प्रकार एक चक्र पूर्ण हुआ। इसी प्रकार हमने अगले चक्रों का अभ्यास करना है। चलिए प्रारंभ करें। सामान्य श्वास प्रश्वास। यहीं से अगला अभ्यास भ्रामरी प्राणायाम का। दोनों हाथों की षटमुखनी मुद्रा, कानों के पट्टों को बंद करते हुए पहली उंगली आपके आईब्रो के ऊपर, दूसरी आपकी आईबॉल के ऊपर, तीसरी आपकी अपर लिप्स के ऊपर, लास्ट और छोटी उंगली आपके लोअर लिप्स के नीचे। श्वास भरते हुए मौ का चरण करना, भौरे के समान गुंजायमान करना है। जीवा को पटल पर लगाएं, दांतों को आपस में न मिलाएं। चलिए प्रारंभ करें। आंखें सहजता से बंद भी रखें, कमर गर्दन सीधी करें। यहीं से ओमकार का प्रणोच्चारण, कमर गर्दन सीधी, लंबी गहरी सांस भरते हुए ओम का उच्चारण नाभि और कंठ से, आंखें बंद। ओमकार से उत्पन्न ऊर्जा को अपने अंतर मन में आत्मसात करें। उस दिव्य ऊर्जा से अपने अंतःकरण को शुद्ध करते हुए और अनुभव करें कि आपका आसपास का वातावरण भी शुद्ध हो रहा है। इसी मनोभाव से दोनों हथेलियों को आपस में रब करें और हाथों में उत्पन्न उष्मा ऊर्जा को चेहरे पर स्पर्श करें और प्रत्येक तनावपूर्ण अंग पर स्पर्श करें। हथेलियों को चेहरे के सम्मुख रखते हुए एक मधुर मुस्कान के साथ आंखों को खोलें। नमस्कारम, थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।